This is a demonstration on how to attach a patient's visit ID to the clinical document. Select your patient from the schedule and opening the chart. Start a new document. Select the appropriate encounter type for this visit. Moving over to the right, you will see that I am listed as the provider. This is incorrect. The provider should always be who the patient is currently scheduled with and who will be seeing the patient for the appropriate visit. In this case, it would be Dr. Anderson, so I will remove my name and select Dr. Anderson from the drop-down. The next is your location of care. This should always reflect where the patient has been booked. If you are a medical assistant and are floating from office to office, please make sure this represents the location that the patient has been scheduled. If not, choose the appropriate location from the drop-down. As you can see, the provider and the location now match where the patient was scheduled, and the linking automatically happened with the check mark. There is nothing further to do. You can select OK and now proceed with creating your clinical document. If you have begun a new document and selected your encounter type, but went a little quickly and did not change your provider or your location of care and just went ahead and selected the OK, I would recommend prior to starting any clinical data such as vital signs to select the End Update button and discard your document. If you choose to select your provider at the end of your update, you've missed the opportunity to select your visit ID, so the only option would be to discard the document and to start over. If you are a medical assistant or a staff member that does open charts and you are floating to another practice other than your normal home location, it's very important at the login of Centricity to change your location of care. I will demonstrate that now. When you are at the logon screen for Centricity, once you have entered your user ID and your password, do not hit the Enter key, but instead use your Tab key on your keyboard to advance to the location of care field. This will allow you to select the drop-down and change your location of care to whichever site you are currently working at. The next time you go back to your home, you would go once again, drop the location and change that, and then begin the login process. This is an important step to avoid some duplicate billing by ensuring that the correct location of care is selected at the time of login. I hope you found this video beneficial. Thank you for watching.